With an unprecedented focus on comfort, style, and performance, the new 2022 Land Rover Range Rover clearly demonstrates Land Rover's commitment to meeting the diversifying needs and lifestyles of luxury customers. The ultra-stylish, luxurious, and modern compact SUV brings a range of exciting features, a choice of high-performance powertrains, and a high-class, tranquil atmosphere where owners can relax and enjoy the things that give them pleasure. Newly standard features for the 2022 model year include wireless device charging, keyless entry, heated front seats, and a powered tailgate. If you're considering a compact luxury SUV in the Ocala area, feel free to explore our current offers on the new Land Rover Range Rover Evoque at Land Rover Ocala, FL, and visit us for an engaging test drive of the 2022. The 2022 Range Rover Evoque offers enhanced performance and handling upgrades designed to help you tackle the road or track with luxury driving pleasure. The standard powertrain is a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, also called the P250 drivetrain, that makes 246 horsepower and 269 lb-ft of torque. The new Range Rover Evoque also has a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 mild hybrid P300 with 296 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. Both engines are coupled with a 9-speed automatic transmission that provides effortless shifting even on uphill grades. An all-wheel drive system is standard on every 2022 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. The 2022 Range Rover Land Rover Evoque complements its stylish design with an advanced 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with easy operation, top-class audio experience via a standard 6-speaker stereo, voice recognition, and wireless device charging.